Welcome back to our video on creating tests in Ultra. So this video is going to cover multiple choice and true-false questions. Let's get to it. So it's time to add our multiple choice question. We're going to click on the plus sign here, and you'll see multiple choices right in the middle. Give that a click, and it's pretty simple. We just type our question here, and we have our potential answers down here in these boxes. We've got 3 by default. And if we want to add an additional option, we can click this Add option. If we want to get rid of an option, we can just click the little trash can over here on the side. And if we want to reorder the options, we can just click and drag them. Now you may be asking about whether these options can be randomized. They can, but unlike in original courses, it's an all or nothing thing. Either all of the answers are randomized throughout the test or none of them are. Now to indicate which answer is the correct answer, just check the box next to it and then that will be correct. Now you may want to have a question like the multiple answer questions in original courses where more than one answer is correct. You can do that pretty easily. We'll just add another option here and just check the other box of the thing that's correct. So it's the same question type, it's just how many boxes that you select. Now if you have multiple correct answers, you can actually allow partial credit. We generally don't recommend doing that because it can get kind of complicated. So you have to put the percentages of credit that each answer is. It's not automatic. And unlike in original courses, you pretty much have to have all of your percentages that are positive add up to 100%. And all the correct answers need to have positive percentages here. Now, a word of warning, if you just have it set up like I have it here with only positive percentages, what can happen is the students can just check all of the boxes, and when they do that, then they'll get 100% every time. So if you are going to do this setup, you need to actually put negative percentages in the incorrect answers so that when we do save this question, that the students can't answer everything and get it all right. You do have the choice, if you have these negative percentages, whether they can get a negative score by answering only the incorrect answers. Just check that box to make that happen. Generally with this question type, I don't recommend adding partial credit. I would just say have it be all or nothing. You can also set automated feedback on these questions. Just click the little checkbox here where it says automated feedback. And just like on original courses, you can have different feedback based on whether the answer is correct or incorrect. I'm going to turn that off though because I don't care about that. Up here at the top, you set how many points that the question is. We'll make that 5. And click Save. And we see the question's been added. So true-false questions could be created exactly like multiple choice questions. You could create one and have 2 answers, and one be true and one be false. But they've decided to make it a little bit easier for you with a special question type. So we're going to go and click that plus sign again, and we'll see true-false question here. And we can just type our question. And we can see that there's the potential answer of true, potential answer of false. We know this answer is true, so we're just going to save our question, and we've got it ready to go. If this is the only question type you're using, feel free to skip the rest of the videos on question types and go right to the settings video. Otherwise, you'll see more question type videos under this one.